Meeting up with the boys today. Got 5 of them behind me, and I am Magellan. Here we go. Well, good morning, fellas. I honestly don't know what I have told you yet, so I'm gonna have to start from the beginning. Welcome back, Chuck House Mopar. Unless I said that already. Anyway, so it's the morning of the car show. Caffein cruise at Gateway Classic Cars, St. Louis. So it's Gateway Classic Cars is a consignment place, and once a month during the summer, a club gets to host. 2 clubs host the event. Once again, I apologize if I had told you this. So anyway, it's our turn this time. So, like as I've told you, my buddy Mike and Steve are taking the Satellite and the Cuda, and we're gonna go. I had those guys. We went on a test drive with the 2 boys there because the Cuda is particularly cold-blooded, and once they're running and hot, they do great. But my concern was, especially with the Cuda, to over rev trying to leave a light or something, and you know, smoking the clutches in both cars really. But anyway, so everybody passed with flying colors. Like I said, once they're hot, they're more or less a regular car. And I did that because, you know, all 4-speed cars are different. Both of my trucks are different. I'm taking the Savoy. There she is out there, Thelma, and ought to be fun. It's like a 4-hour event. Called a lot of guys, and hopefully we have a pretty good turnout. So I'm gonna get the mower out of here. I'm gonna have to start these things in the garage because it's like 6:15 in the morning, and I have neighbors. People that live back there, they're just gonna have to enjoy the noise, and it's the way it is. They both gotta warm up just because. The Cuda's really prone to popping through the carb, you know, when she's cold. So we'll get them warmed up. I'll move some cars, get these things out here before these guys get here, and yeah, head down the road. Okay. Thinking here real quick. Oh my, I got one door open. Oh shit, I said shit. Mikey's here. Damn, boys, early. Cars aren't that loud. I mean, you gotta be a good neighbor, boys, right? Let's get old Thelma rolling here. Thelma. All right, there we go. Give her a couple pumpers. Look at that, Thelma. She's a hell of a good girl. Let me let the clutch out. Yeah, this thing is, you think you're neutral sometimes. Yeah, she's fine. We'll let her warm up. Yeah, all right. We're off. This is a view of Louise I don't get very often. You can't see the Cuda because I didn't clean my window. I'm going in the middle because as it turns out I have one tail light that works, brake light, and it does not work very well. So anyway, I'm gonna meet Drew and the rest of some of the guys up here by the library, and we'll continue on. All right. Yeah, we got about almost how many? 6 right here. I'm the line leader. I told them just don't run into me. They won't. Duh. All right. Here we go. Cornetta turned in there. Here it is. This is it. Flagship store. Oh hell, there's a Cornette. Alright, let me wheel this thing in here and we'll get in here. Okay. We're getting a crowd, boys. Arlen showed up with he's the original owner of his 65 Cornette. We'll look at it in a minute. Get in a group.
A few moments later.
Got a good group, boys. I think we made our 20. I didn't tell you why we needed 20. We get $200. That buys a lot of chicken when we meet. The local guy. I haven't seen his car in 5 years. Hell yeah, boy. Jeff has owned this car since 1980. He's had it done 5 years. 4-speed car. Well, I'm inside. Been waiting an hour to use the bathroom. Look at that. This is the beauty of this thing. I think they charge admission. I don't know what it is, $5, $2 to get in normally. But it's a consignment place. I think I've told you guys before. The bathroom's in the back here. They started an old venture store, Washington Park, down by the drag strip in St. Louis here. But yeah, they've expanded and they're all over the country now. I've been to the one down in Grapevine, Texas. It's just a big warehouse with about 70 cars. But they have a few Mopars, so we'll check them out. Mercedes, square-bodied Chevys. Oh hey, hell to the yeah, boy. Love these things. Love the grills on them and the bird bath hood. Yeah. Okay, I do my thing. Okay, we'll go look at our cars here in a minute. Who showed up? But here's another one. I love the 76, 77. Dodge sold a bunch to the military M880 trucks. There was one that was just for sale recently, but how much junk do you need, right? Anyway, let's go look at this GTX up here. All right. Citron yellow, spring color. Oh, there, buddy. Yeah, it came out probably April. Console auto. I love these GTXs, the 71s, so much. Made about 3,000 GTXs that year. Just under. I like it. Yeah. Well, it's about 11. We got our 200 bucks. All right. Might as well. Why not, right? So anyway, about ready. It's 11. A few people are leaving. We're still here. We're going to hang out, maybe get some lunch later. I don't know yet. I got music playing. I hope I don't get demonetized. Whatever. If I do, I do. Who cares, right? Yeah, Arlen's car. Yep. Yep. Very cool. All right, we may be leaving soon to get some lunch. We'll see. When it clears out, man. So yeah, it's gonna rain. Not a lot. Big rain this afternoon, but everybody's getting ready to go. Steve's waiting there. So Yeah, I think we're gonna go get us some lunch, finish our cruise. We driving. Gonna get a hamburger. Let's not hit these people while we're at it, eh? Prices the verdict.
The next day.
Okay, next day. I am doing this clip the next day because I realized last night when I looked at what I had, I lost a video that whatever. But so it's always good to get together with the guys. We wanted to do this, and as an added bonus, if you can get 20 cars to show up, they'll give you $200. So we had 23. We adopted a couple. We adopted that semi truck. That guy collects semi tractors and other cars too. In fact, Rob has got a 69. You saw it in the clip there. I put it in. 69 Dart convertible. Yeah, he bought that from him last year and took it to Mopar 2 years ago, I guess now. Shoot, I don't know, guys. Anyway, so we had a good time. Nobody broke down. We didn't get rained on. That was threatening us a little bit, but everything went well. Hope to do it again. You know, it looked like to me there might have been, well, there was over 100 cars. I mean, if we had 23 in our group there, and there was about 5 more rows, so maybe 125 people showed up with cars. So yeah, it worked out really well, and we had a good time. Got a hamburger afterwards. What am I missing? Oh yeah, in the clip that I lost, you've seen these are most of the usual suspects, our buddies, and you've seen these cars if you looked before, but Jeff had his 70 Superbird, a K2 orange 4-speed car he's had since 81 or 2. Jerry showed up with his Daytona that you've seen before. I did a video on his, also cool. Tim, another friend, he's a 71 guy. He likes 71s. I do know he's got 2 71 Cudas. That one that I didn't get in is all patinaed out. It's is that a big block car? It is, with air conditioning. It's just awesome, you know, 71 Cuda. Of course, mechanically perfect now. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed it. We had fun. We hope to do it again. We all need to get together more often. The boys over here. Met some people that actually watch my videos, which is cool. At any rate, we'll catch you next time. See ya.